to my YouTube channel. So it's my second video on this topic. I will continue. So basically, it is for very beginners who doesn't know anything about Python, and I am also learning by doing mistakes. So first of all, we will see what is it's asking for. Okay, so we have this. So let's close this, and so on last I will run this and tell you what have we made. So after running this, so it is building. Hello sir, what can I do for you? So this is must printing. So I will say in case hello, then it will print randomly from this. Good. If we write hello again, then it is random. So if you want to quit, so we will write quit, close, or anything. You can see the program is quit. So we will try in this some new functions and statements I have take out for you. So let's dig into this. So first of all, I will add this elif command. So what happened? Okay, now it's good. So elif, okay. For example, you you in user, and we need to import operating system. Import sys okay for import web browser as okay, wb. So let's use this. If you write YouTube, then this. So save it, and then we will try to run it. Let's see our program is running or not. So we will write, for example, YouTube, and let's see. Oh yes, it's working. I don't know you can see it or not, but for me it is working very well. So you know that you can add as many as commands, statements which you want to. Select Google in user. So open Google, then it will definitely will open Google. So this is one library or method of web browser. So you can use as many as. So one thing I want to check here that, for example, I have created here this. So after this, can I add try function? Try this. Okay, this. Okay, try function. So for this, okay, I will try it some other day because your time is very precious. So I don't want to waste on my experiment. So let's add something further. So we will add also here. Uh, okay, whatever you input give, so kindly convert it. So let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, we need to exit this first. Okay, sorry, I have write wrong. Okay, so now we will play, and I will write hi, hello, and if we write quit, yes, you can see. And for example, you don't know what is happening here, so I will delete it, and you have noticed that what we'll do. Okay, sorry. Now here we will close it first, and now we will run that. Okay, what happening? Something. Okay, this is I think now. Okay, now we will run and see. Yes, okay. Now we will write. You can see EXIT is on small alphabet and it is working. So we will play again, and now we will write E capital. Run, and you can see that it cannot run. Exit the program. Now we will, to counter that strategy, you can write here whatever command you will lower it. Okay. Now first of all we will exit it, and we will run again this, and now E is capital, X, I is capital, T, and you can see that it is working very well. So you can see how this one is good. So that's it for today. Please write your comments in the comment box, and sh- tell your experience and your suggestions, your knowledge, your skills with me, so everyone can learn. So I am here learning also. So thank you for watching my this video.